flip the camera. There you go. Hello guys, I'm over there. We're gonna wash this deck. They had the new ones, and this one was exposed to the sun and heavy weather. So if you can see, they have different texture. So today I'm gonna wash this deck. They want to paint it. I'm gonna flip the camera again. So I guess they tried to wash it, and this is why they called me, because it wasn't going to the right direction. And you need to have consistency when you are washing the deck. I was hired too to remove as much paint that they're gonna paint it. A very heavy sanding on this one, because this one is very deteriorated. You see, they tried to do power washing over there, and that's why they call me. So I'm gonna use different kind of tips. It's brand new. We're gonna give it a very light wash, and then we're gonna get rid of all of this with the power wash. I'm gonna demonstrate how to do this. This is one of my favorite nozzles. All right, I'm gonna use this tip. More gas. Just do a little recap over here. This is how it come out. You can tell that this part right here, because it's under the roof, it looks way better. But that one, it looks a little bit old and cracked. But anyway, the power wash there was done, and I think it looks pretty cool. Very nice and clean. Same thing here. The only thing is this platform right here looks very old. Everything else, the painters has to sand and do the magic. So tomorrow I'm gonna do another demonstration. I'll see you in the next video.